Take a ride in the 2020 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.